Be doing Pokemon card videos. Let's do this. First pack in Energy Fraxu. Sorry. Okay, come on. Bogus. Gigabytes. Cameruns. Hurleon. Raytheon. Energy. Dragonite. Lucario. Wait, did I miss a card? Oh, yes, I did. Tranquil. Okay, now that is weird. Slazzle. Sneasel. Energy. Noivern. Medicham. Tauros. Legendary. That looks an awesome one. Scraggy. Energy. Bibriel. And oh, okay. And I was like, and whoa. And I just stopped for a second, like, what? I got Orangutan on the front of the box. Metran. Noivern. Taurus. Energy all day, baby. Energy. Mushroom. Swadloon. Lucario. Dragonite. Tranquil. Energy. Drapion. Stageonav. Doublade. Steenie. Gigabytes. Bibriel. Energy. Egglium. Yagma. Another earring bell. What is wrong with the earring bells today? This is it. Okay. Next one. That was weird. I was like, this was it. Bro, that was a nice fight earlier. Basculin. Swaddle. Magmaniat. Sableye. Oh my god. Victini. Gible. Dragonion. Snorunt. Fungus. Tynamo. Litwick. Onyx. Noibat. Corgunla. Whatever. Swadloon. Alright. Galvantula. Murkrow. Salandit. Keybound. Axew. Lucario. Oh yeah! Nice. Next one. Okay. Oh, wrong one. Salandit. Murkrow. Axew. Keybound. Licky. Craigonla. Let's just do it like this. Galvantula. Litwick. Grimer. Noibat. Just to make it speedy. Onyx. Tynamo. Victini. Sableye. Dragonion. Gible. Komala. Come on. Magmanite. Gible. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah. Last pack. Hopefully this pack is good because I never seen this pack. Yeah, let's do it. We're gonna do it light fast mode. It's December 2. Basculin, Sweedle, Magmanite, Sableye, Victini, Gible, Dragonion, whatever, Snorunt, Fungus, Grimer, Litwick, Onyx, Noibat, Craigonla, Sweedle, Galvantula, Murkrow, Salandit, Keybound, Axew, Magmar. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.